Hi, I'm Dr. Julia.
And I'm Dr. Delio. We're founders of Cocina Libre.
At Cocina Libre, we empower immigrant communities by sharing their stories through food. We create spaces where immigrant chefs cook, tell their personal stories, and build community. We wrote a cookbook, Cocina Libre, that made it to Amazon #1 new release. We also host dinners, cooking classes, and diversity workshops. Each event is an opportunity to taste authentic dishes and also to hear the stories behind them. We're transforming how people think about immigration one meal at a time.
We can't do this alone. We need your help to keep Cocina Libre growing.
We're part of the 2024 Sea Change Cohort Pitch event, and we need your vote to become the crowd favorite.
By voting for us, you're helping immigrant chefs share their cultures, build businesses, and create stronger communities. So tell everybody you know, vote for Cocina as the crowd favorite.